Hi, welcome back to Client Solotech. What is PDF and how to save a PDF file? So, what is PDF? What is PDF document or what is PDF? Portable document file. It means you can use and move this file from one device to another device. You can send this file and it will open in all types of devices on mobile and also in desktop computers or laptop. You can email it, you can send this document, PDF document through WhatsApp, and it's immovable and it's not easy to edit. So if you have a business document, or if you want to share something kind of assignment, your resume, you are sending your resume to any company, then you can save it as a PDF. So how you can save it? For example, this is your document and you want to save it as a PDF. So click on file and click on save as. After that, select the place there where you want to save, or uh, for example, in this we select desktop to save it, and then select the desktop option, and now name it PDF document, and select the type. It's very important to save as a type. It's the main important part. So click on save as type and select PDF, and then click on save. Once it is saved, it will open automatically, and you can see it or you can send it to any uh, company or person, and you can share this document with anyone. So it's now a PDF file. You can see here PDF document .pdf, and you can also see here .pdf. But let's see it, minimize and minimize this as well, and now see it. You can see the PDF icon is displaying here, and when you open it, it will open in Acrobat Reader or in a web browser. So this is the way to save a portable document file, to create a portable document file in Microsoft Word.